country Bear Jamboree, so let's go.
Give it that. It was a little Grizzly, so we're going to try one more time. Here in Frontierland, we say howdy.
Howdy!
That was much more bearable. Howdy, folks, and welcome to Grizzly Hall, home of the world-famous country Bear Jamboree. Now, I do have a few bear necessities before our show begins, but I only have two, so please bear with me, all right? Number one, please no eating or drinking inside our theater, as our bears are already stuffed, all right? So please, no more food. And number two, please make sure that there's no external video lighting or flash photography, because it is simply unbearable. Thank you. Alrighty, folks, our bears are in a bit of a hibernation, so put your paws and claws together for them. Give them a round of applause. Help me wake them up. That's embarrassing. Hey, buddy, wake up. We have a show to run. Let's go. Max, Melvin. Come on, guys. Don't leave me like this. Wake up. Come on.
What's going on? Let's get on with the show.
Now, folks, be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Gomer. Yes, folks, we only have high-class stuff on this show. And now, here's a special treat out of town. Our own Trixie.
Tears will be the chaser for your while. After you leave this love of mine, bright lights and taverns, that's where you spend your time. And tears will be the chaser for your wine.
How long is forever? How soon is now or never? How long will these heartaches linger on? And how long will my baby be gone?
Little sunbonnets from the Sunshine State. Funny, bubbles, and beautiful.
Every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him's a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I've found. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. Nothing works for me that I found. It's the same way everywhere I see. Nothing ever seems to work for me.
That didn't like me. Dedicated and different daughter of the crows. The last one to take the time stinks. Swinging Teddi Berra.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking. I talked to him, but I don't think he understood. I'll just forget about the plans that we were making. Heart, we did all that we could.
Y'all come up and see sometime. You hear?
Yeah, as soon as I find a ladder, I'll be right up.
There was blood on
see, we're just one big happy family. Well, folks, this concludes our show. So thanks for bearing with us to the very end. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back. You hear?
Gather your bear necessities and exit out to your right now. Take it away, boys.
The welcome mat is always up. Say you was fine. We hope that they'll be coming back again. And your husband too. It's been good to have. So long, folks.
That was a lot more country than I expected, but that was pretty hilarious, especially when they come back with the blood on the ground. This is the Amusement Archive. Thanks for taking a trip. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description, either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.